need to light up your TV studio? We connect a laptop or a PC with Ethernet switch via an Ethernet cable. From the switch we connect the first LED strip studio Ethernet. Two outputs from LSS Ethernet 1 control the LED strips on the floor. The LSS Ethernet 2 controls the remaining LED strips and also our company's logo. If we want to connect additional LED strips, we need to connect additional Ethernet cables from the switch into LSS Ethernet 3. This one is attached to the wall and controls square-shaped LED pixels. LSS Ethernet number 4 drives the strips behind the bar next to the counter. The last strips are installed into the table. These LED strips are controlled over the 5th LSS Ethernet. Finally, the last thing to do is to connect the power sources to every controller. Voila! The LED strips have lighted up. With the help of LED Strip Studio, you can change the colors or scenes in various ways according to your needs. Contact us and we will transform your TV dream into reality.